guys, so today we'll make a new YouTube video, and I am now at Sai City, and this is my friend. He just wants to show his face because he's shy. Okay. So he's shy. This is Devarjo, my friend.
I am Devarjo. This is Saurish.
And yeah, we are all friends, but Spandan did not show it. And now we are at the Science City, and that is the ropeway.
Where is the ropeway?
And that's it, Missile Man of India. Hey, bhai, কোথায় চলে গেলাম রে? Okay, I went the wrong way. So, let's go. That's the missiles, the missile park. Let's go to the missile. Missile. Radio. Yeah. কিসের আওয়াজ আসছে? কে বলছে ভাই কথা? ও ওখানে মাইক্রোফোন আছে। ওই যে ওখানে মেগাফোন।
কোথায়?
ওই যে মেগাফোন আওয়াজ আসছে।
Today, India is a country to reckon with.
We were playing badminton right now.